welcome to another foreigner video. I'm at the motorcycle live show at the NEC in Birmingham, and it's very busy, very noisy. I'm going to try to make a few videos about the new, that's how busy it is. Let's get quite a spot here. So I'm going to try to find, try to make a few videos about the new BMW bikes that just came out this year. I know that they don't have the new BMW, the K1600 Grand America, which is the touring version of the K1600 bagger that I test rode a couple of months ago. So yeah, that's a shame. But I know that they have the F750 GS, the F850 GS, sorry, the new scooter, the C400. So those are the new ones. I'm going to have a look and see what I can film, what I can tell you about them. So yeah, I'm excited. So let's go onto the BMW stand, which is right here. There's all sorts of things going on. So yes, this is a very fancy entrance to the BMW stand here at the NEC this year. Excuse me, sorry.
Sorry, mate.
Cheers. Yes, yeah, here we still are at the BMW stand, having a look around to see what we can see. Oh, in front of us, this is the F800 GT. This is my bike, if you want. This is a 2017 model. You can tell that by, well, mainly because of the way that the new logo is designed there on the front. Beautiful bike. Try not to say much. I feel like a bit of an idiot speaking to the camera in the middle of all these people, but this will give you a good idea of what the BMW stand looks like. Here's the R90 Scrambler, beautiful machine.
Sorry.
That brushed aluminium tank looks absolutely gorgeous. Oh, these R90s are part of the heritage family at BMW. They look absolutely amazing. One of the big things about, one of the big new things that BMW have come out with this year is their new connectivity system, and so that they have this new 6.5-inch LCD screen, which is beautiful. It's got beautiful colours, beautiful image. So this new screen, this new connectivity system that they have will allow us to integrate all sorts of communications with the bike, as well as with the bike systems. So you can use it for tuning the bike or setting the systems on the bike, or you can use it for communication, pair it with your comm system, mobile phone, MP3 player, everything, and you can control everything from there, from a single point, using the scroll wheel, which is an amazing piece of kit. Yeah, this is a brand new engine. It's been designed from the ground up, 853 cc's, and on this particular version, the F7550GS that we now see, also has off-road capabilities. It's more road oriented than its sister, the F850. The difference in the name would suggest two different engines, but no, they're the same engine. A brand new 853cc engine, so it's a water-cooled 4-stroke. Inline 2, like its predecessor, the one that equips the F800GS and the F800GT, except that on the F750GS, the engine has slightly less power, 77 horsepower at 7,500 RPMs and 83 Newton meters of torque at 6,000 RPM. So there's a slight difference in both torque and power, although the biggest difference is in torque really, because this F750GS is more road oriented, not as off-roady, if you want, as the F850. Yes, this was a quick tour of the BMW stand. So I'm going to have another look around, look at some other bikes. I'm quite interested in the new KTMs and Triumphs as well. Triumph is right next door, as you can see. So yes, I'm going to have a look around and see what they have. Right. Anyway, well, thanks for watching, and just don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all the usual social nonsense. Bye.